Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another episode on TechWindowsFreeway. Today, we are diving into the realm of personalization as we guide you through the process of changing your account profile picture in Windows 10. Whether you are looking to add a touch of flair or simply update your avatar, we've got you covered with easy-to-follow steps. So, grab your mouse and keyboard, and let's get started. Click on the Start button. Then, click on Settings gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Accounts. On the right, scroll down to the bottom to find the Create Your Picture section. Under this, click on Camera, in case you want to take a picture and use as your profile image. However, if you have already a beautiful image on your PC, and you want to use it as profile picture, click on the Browse for One button instead. Now navigate in File Explorer and find the picture, select it and then click on the Choose Picture button. And there you have it, folks. Changing your account profile picture in Windows 10 is a breeze thanks to our step-by-step guide. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in personalizing your digital identity. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to TechWindowsFreeway for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. Until next time, happy customizing.